So Audrey today is doing filler for hands. And we oftentimes forget about our hands until we start looking at them and realizing we'd like them to look like they used to 20 years ago. And you know what? We can do that now with filler. And so Audrey had made a little bleb of lidocaine and made a channel for the cannula, because you know that we love using cannulas here. And she is pushing some filler into our patient's hands. So typically we will do a syringe per side. It can last for a year, which is great. And this particular filler will make her make collagen right in her hands, which is wonderful. So there really isn't any downside to doing it. The downtime is there may be some swelling, but typically people like the swelling that happens for a day or two. And you might get a bruise, but it's really no big deal. In the greater scheme of things, a bruise on the hand is probably something we all have had. But you can see how simple and quick. I mean, she's going to be done with this in about another 30 seconds. And it took, what, a minute and 30 seconds to do her entire hand. So there really isn't any contraindications to doing this other than if you had an infection at the time. We obviously want to do it then. And like I said, you'd want to repeat it in a year. So if you want to find out if hand filler is right for you, come and see Audrey at RejuvenationMD, or you can see any of us, because we all love to do this procedure. So you can find us online at RejuvenationMD.medspa.com.